Welcome back to Easy Chill English. I am Lara.
And I am Leo. Today, 30 more sentences for daily life.
Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy? Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy?
How do I get to the train station from here? How do I get to the train station from here?
Is it far from here or close by? Is it far from here or close by?
Do I turn left or right at the corner? Do I turn left or right at the corner?
Okay, so it's just past the bridge. Okay, so it's just past the bridge.
I found it! Thanks for the directions. I found it! Thanks for the directions.
My screen cracked. Can this be fixed? My screen cracked. Can this be fixed?
The door won't open. Something's stuck. The door won't open. Something's stuck.
This tap has been leaking for days. This tap has been leaking for days.
It just stopped working suddenly. It just stopped working suddenly.
Could someone come take a look at this? Could someone come take a look at this?
It's working again. Thank you so much. It's working again. Thank you so much.
Could I borrow your umbrella for today? Could I borrow your umbrella for today?
Here, you can use mine for now. Here, you can use mine for now.
I'll give this back to you tomorrow. I'll give this back to you tomorrow.
Do you still have my pen from last week? Do you still have my pen from last week?
Do you want to share this with me? Do you want to share this with me?
Thanks for letting me borrow it. Thanks for letting me borrow it.
Smile! This photo is only for people who like and subscribe. The sign says different hours. Is this open now? The sign says different hours. This open now?
How long will this take, roughly? How long will this take, roughly?
I'll be there at 9:30. I'll be there at 9:30.
Can we move the meeting to a later time? Can we move the meeting to a later time?
We still have a few minutes left. We still have a few minutes left.
I think we will be a little late. I think we will be a little late.
I have a reservation under Lara.
I have a reservation under Lara.
My phone says checkout is at 11, is that right? My phone says checkout is at 11, is that right?
I checked online, but I am not sure. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included?
Could someone bring an extra towel, please? Could someone bring an extra towel, please?
This room has such a nice view. This room has such a nice view.
We need to check out by 11. We need to check out by 11.
Did you say them with us? Tell us which sentence you will use first. Write it below. We read every comment. See you next time!